Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. It can be described as a soft, pastel shade of pink, lavender, or cream, with a light and airy appearance that reflects the gentle nature of the treat. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as macaroon, macaroon, mac, roon, macaroon. This color can create a sense of sweetness, lightness, and joy, often associated with the delightful flavor and playful presentation of the confection. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about macaroon, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.